In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit sent email in Gmail. Full explanation. If you've ever hit send and instantly spotted a mistake. The good news is that Gmail gives you a short window to undo the send and make edits. The key thing to understand is that you're not editing a message that has already been delivered. Instead, you're quickly pulling it back before it goes out, then updating it and sending it again. Here's how it works in practice. Compose your email as you normally would and click send. Immediately after sending, look to the bottom of your screen. You'll see a small banner that says your message was sent, along with an undo option. This is your opportunity. Click undo right away. Gmail will stop the send, reopen your message as a draft, and bring you back into the compose window. At this point, you can edit your subject line, body text, recipients, and attachments, just like you would with any draft. When you're satisfied, click send again. If you don't click undo in time, the email will go out and you won't be able to change it. Because that window can feel short, it helps to get used to glancing at the bottom of the screen right after sending. If you know you're prone to last-second fixes, consider pausing a moment before clicking send to quickly scan the subject, recipients, and any links. But the most effective way to give yourself more breathing room is to increase how long that undo button stays available. To lengthen the undo time, open Gmail and click the gear icon in the upper right to open Quick Settings. From there, select See All Settings. You'll land on the General tab. Scroll until you find the Send Cancellation Period. This controls how long Gmail waits before actually sending your message. Choose the amount of time that works for you, up to 30 seconds. The longer the period, the longer the undo option will remain visible after you click send. Once you've chosen your preferred time, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. That's important. Your new setting won't apply unless you save. From now on, when you send an email, you'll have that extended window to click undo, pull the message back, and make any edits before sending it out again. Remember, after the cancellation period ends, the message is sent and can't be edited. With this setup, you'll have a simple, reliable safety net for catching mistakes before they reach someone's inbox.